all get a chance to put your fingerprints on the bird, hang out, take pictures, ask questions. We're going to rotate.
We can lower the hoist down, bring the hoist up with this pennant. Our operators wear a vest and clip into the helicopter, and they stand right here and operate the hoist while we're doing the rescue. So they'll bring the patient up. This arm swings in, so then they'll take the patient, slide the patient into the aircraft, then they get strapped to a gurney, and then either ambulatory transferred or flown to hospital.
You're going to go to the right. Okay, watch your head, please. Use your legs. Watch your cabeza.
Watch your head.
Okay, so we're going to go. It's a hands-on school, and so instead of just taking a math class, you come to DTech and you learn about how to be an EMT, and you do hands-on activities. And a helicopter is nothing but, I mean, it's a living, physical, hands-on experience.
If I ever have a situation where I need to call medical evac, like this is a hands-on experience where I know what I'm doing, and it's not something that I'm learning out of a book, so it's pretty special. I want to get my EMT certification, and then I know I want to go like pre-med in college, see how far I want to go, but I definitely want to get my EMT license and possibly work as that throughout college.
It's a once in a lifetime. They may never see another helicopter up close, so it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. It may spark their interest to get into aviation. It could spark their interest into getting into the medical services that the military provides, so on and so forth. So it could be just a normal, regular class with a helicopter, or it could be a life-changing event. So we're excited about that.